Test for thiosulphate ion. First step, dissolve n-full spatula of analyte salt in 50 ml of water. Chemicals required. 1. Diluted hydrochloric acid. 2. Iodine solution. 3. Acidified potassium permanganate solution. Second step, divide the solution into test tubes, pour around 5 ml in each test tube. To the first test tube, add diluted hydrochloric acid, then wait about 1 minute to see the change. As you see, hydrochloric acid reacts with thiosulphate ion to form pale yellow precipitate. During reaction, sulfur element is formed, the yellow precipitate is sulfur element formed. Below, there is ionic equation for this reaction. First confirmatory test. To the second test tube, add iodine solution. As you see, iodine solution react with thiosulphate ion to form colorless solution. Below, there is ionic equation for this reaction. Second confirmatory test. To the third test tube, add acidified potassium permanganate solution. As you see, acidified potassium permanganate solution reacts with thiosulphate ion to form colorless solution. Below, there is ionic equation for this reaction. Summary of this experiment. Preliminary test. To the first test tube, diluted hydrochloric acid is added. The anion that forms pale yellow precipitate when reacted with diluted hydrochloric acid is thiosulphate ion. First confirmatory test. To the second test tube, iodine solution is added. the anion that reacts with iodine solution to form colorless, and that anion forms pale yellow precipitate when reacted with diluted hydrochloric acid, the anion is thiosulphate ion. Thiosulphate ion is confirmed. The anion present in the salt is thiosulphate ion. Second confirmatory test. To the third test tube, acidified potassium permanganate solution is added. The anion that reacts with acidified potassium permanganate solution to form colorless solution, and that anion forms pale yellow precipitate when reacted with diluted hydrochloric acid, the anion is thiosulphate ion. Thiosulphate ion is confirmed. The anion present in the salt is thiosulphate ion. In the description there are links for testing other anions and cations. Leave comments or questions below. Thank you for watching.